Netstart. Let's go start off with mmap. Get the IP address for this thing. We'll run this guy. See what we get here. Oh, Russ get that guy. $23.71. I'll support 21. Okay, so great. Login support DLL and login.exe. Great. Of course. Yep, that's definitely okay. All right. And also, can we delete that DLL? That's the next question. I have it over here, so I can always put it. Can we put something first? Okay, we cannot. Okay. All right, let's go and see what that report was there. 2371. Okay. So what is this guy all about? Is it a buffer overflow? Is it a... What are we doing here? Did the same person make this one? Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me, right? Okay. Guess that wasn't it. Alright. So we obviously have something going on here again. Alright. So I don't know if we're doing a buffer overflow or what we're actually doing here. But I feel like we're going to have to... I feel like it's 100% going to be a buffer overflow. So let me go ahead and get another machine up and running. Move this thing over to there. I don't know if this is really worth it like right now, but we'll give it a try. This is going to take a minute to get this Windows 7 machine up and running. Yeah. You know what's funny? And I literally looked up like beginner boxes to start this whole like easy path for people and stuff like that. And now we've gotten a buffer. Well, we had whatever hell that last one was. And now I'm pretty sure we have a buffer overflow. And this one doesn't even have the stuff that I need on it, which is even freaking worse. So we need immunity debugger and a whole bunch of other stuff. So let me go ahead and get you guys over there. It's not even showing up now, is it? Of course it's not. There we go. Okay. I can't see anything either. So if you guys are like, I can't see anything, me neither. There we go. All right. True Windows 7 machine, it looks like. And it's going to be in fucking Japanese, isn't it? Oh, God. All right, let's try it. Hopefully, is it not connected? Okay, we're connecting. There's some bull. Literally both of them said beginner boxes. So now you know if people are just lying. Like whenever they make these things, like, yeah, beginner box. Yeah, okay. Come on. Actually, no, do I actually have... No, I don't have that there anymore. Never mind. This is fun. Okay, it's picking Google. So I will open Google. Probably because it's in fucking Japanese. Let's go to Internet Explorer. See if this works. Maybe because it's Windows 7. Thing's probably like, what in the hell are you doing, dude? Yes, you did, Christy. If we can actually even open it, because um, there's actually another way to be able to do this. All right. Oh, can you guys actually even see this? No, you cannot. I'm actually back on my... Okay, that's how you download Beauty Bugger, by the way. And then we also need MonaPy. So you just need this, like right here. Okay, so now we should have Unity and Mona in here, right? Cool. And this guy's 100% pinging Google, but he won't get there. So now let's go ahead. Let's see if I can actually just do this the easier way. There we go. All right, Unity debugger and Mona.py. Damn me. wget 192.168.026 / Mona.py. Oh, good. I'm on Windows 7. I forgot. OMG, what? Okay. Let's go to... Yes, Mikey, we did. All right, let's go ahead and do it like this. Let's go ahead and... Not this. What do you mean, not this? What's not this? I don't know what all that means. Okay. That work? Yeah, looks like it. There's Mona. Cool. I think that means keep. Okay, I think I just kept it. Okay, so now we now have, if we go to downloads, oh, oh, okay. You could just put it back up there. Ow. Yeah, the guy, ow. So, Mojetta, it does not. However, when using Immunity Debugger, it actually, and buffer overflow, stuff like that, it's easier to do it on Windows 7, 64-bit. It's just easier just to run them. But actually on, what is it? On Vagrant, I actually have a Windows 2022 server sitting there called Carrot Privesk, and that has like 6 or 7 different buffer overflow machines in it, like different um, executable files in there for buffer overflows, and you could technically do it on there. It just makes it easier to run it on Windows 7, that's all. So having a copy of Windows 7 is just a good idea for older stuff, that's all. Okay, because some things don't act the same with Windows 7 like they do with Windows 10. So you may not be able to get the same results that you were looking for. I also need to get the file over here still, don't I? So let's go ahead and get this up and running again. And we'll go back over here. May also need a DLL, I don't know. But we'll get both of those over here. And now we have everything that we need, right? That should, yep, keep it. Keep it. I think that means keep. I don't know, I can't read Japanese. Oh, you don't like buffer overflows? It's whatever. But yeah, sorry, Mark. He actually didn't even belong to our unit. That was like the best part about like the whole thing. That was like the funniest part, is that he actually did not belong to the unit at all. Okay, so now we have everything over there. Let's go ahead and let's start off with this buffer overflow, I guess. We also need to actually go into the immunity place. C drive. Where's it at? Is it in Windows? Immunity. Immunity debugger. And then crap. Is it in Pi commands? Yeah, it's like where we put it in Mono, right? Where the hell did I put that at? Since C users ride. Hey, Matt Blue, thanks a lot for the follow. Thank you very much. We'll go ahead and we'll drag Mono over to there. Yeah, copy. Okay. I think I just got rid of something by accident. I think I just made it that thing. But whatever. We're going to see what happens here. All right, so now we got Mono.py over there. Okay. I think that should be everything. Let's go ahead and get Immunity Debugger up and running. And let's go ahead and put that file in there. So let's open. Where's that? It should be, I believe it's in downloads like right now. Fuck is downloads? What in the hell? There we go. Login. Okay. So now at least we have this now, right? And we're gonna have to jump in between my Kali machine and this machine to be able to create a script that will allow us to be able to see if this thing is vulnerable to a buffer overflow or not, I guess, right? So we have login DLL over there, right? And we have, let me see here. Let's go ahead and run it, see if anything happens. So we haven't actually ran it yet. Okay, it's running, and we get no errors. All right, cool. We do get this, starting vulnerable software buffer overflow. This is a vulnerable software. Do not allow access from untrusted systems or networks. Okay. Called external functions DLL. Okay, so we 100% got that DLL right. I mean, technically, if we could delete that DLL, we could just do our own thing, right? But let's go ahead and let's start a buffer overflow here, which we actually just did one of these not too long ago, but we did a Linux buffer overflow. So Sublime overflow, or we'll just call it net.py. All right. And we'll start up our Python script here with a sweet little user environment, right? I always forget the Python start off user. We just do user big Python, huh? Okay. Import socket, right? Very same thing I want to do, okay. And we also have to import sys, right? We also have to start off with a buffer that we think it will overflow it. Oh, you can't see. My fault, my fault, my fault. I get excited. My fault. I know I'm the worst. There you go. If I have music and Twitch and everything else, I'll just do a full screen. Alright, thank you. Sorry, Christy. Alright, so I haven't done one of these in a while. You should have saw me on, like, when I was actually getting, like, real good at these. Buffer equals, we'll say we'll say times 500. We'll see if that freaking overflows there first, right? We have to connect, right? So we'll do a little while true. All right, and then we will connect to it, okay? Try, then we have the S socket, socket dot fucking socket dot socket, right? Socket AF stream, socket dot socket, and then it's socket AF. I always forget this part, like right here. Is that it? I think that's it, like right there, right? Socket, socket AF, and then, all right, now we have to connect, right? That's dot connect, and that's going to be to our IP address and our port, right? So we'll say, let's come up here and actually say IP equals, or our host equals 192.168.0. I believe it was 58. Is that correct? You talk to me. 59. No, 59 would have been the Windows machine. 58. Yep. Okay. Cool. Dot 58. And we'll say port equals. And what was that port number again? 2371. 2371. So we'll say our host port, right? So we're going to connect to there. From there, we have to, that should be it, like right there actually. But we should have to set the buffer, close, okay, which is going to be A times 500, right? And then from here we should be able to s.close and close out the connection from there. And that should be about it. So we need that like right there, because that's going to be if we were to fuzz it. That should be it. If we're just going to send 500 at it, if that doesn't break the program, then we'll send more. Or we could just fuzz it with them too. Alright. Should probably say we're in Python 2 like right now. There we go. Damn it. No, I want Python 2, that's why. Okay, so at least it did all that, right? I'm just going to click over there. I'm just going to see if it did close. It did not, so I'm going to go ahead and just up the number to 1,000. Still didn't close, so I'm wondering now if I messed up somewhere. Let's go ahead and up it to 2,000. And if we don't get anything from there, we'll up it to 2,500. If I don't get anything from here, I think I messed up. Let's go ahead and try it. Yep, still didn't get anything there. Okay, so... Oh, you know why? Because I'm sending it to the actual machine, aren't I? I want to send it to 59. Alright, let's try that. Alright, it sends it. Alright, it crashed. So we got crash over here, right? There we go. It paused, right? So we know 2,500 definitely killed it. Okay? And we definitely overwrote some stuff here. We can see that EBP is 4141441, EIP is 4141441, right? So right now, we've now crashed the program. Now what we need to do is we need to create a MSF Venom script to see, can we figure out where we crashed the program at, right? If we can figure out where we crashed the program at, they control the EIP value, which that means we can control a jump, which that means that we can get our buffer or our overflow to work properly, right? So, but I already probably killed the other one. Hopefully it's on a script where it opens up every 5 minutes or whatever, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and MSF Venom or MSF pattern create 2,500, right? And hopefully this is not too much. We can copy that. Okay. We'll hop over here and we will say the buffer is now going to be, there we go. So now it's going to send all that off, right? So let's go ahead and I'm just going to start it up on the other machine like real quick. Damn it. What was it? F2? No. F12? No. Damn it. I forgot the, Alright, so the machine started back up and everything, okay? I know you guys couldn't see that. We're just going to send it off like real quick. Python net.py. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if we can see a crash over here. I'm not going to look at it first. That's much of a badass I am. Okay. We do see a crash. Okay, cool. Program has crashed. Okay. And we have this EIP value of whatever this is like right here. So let's go ahead and grab that EIP. We'll copy that. Copy selection to clipboard. We'll hop back over to Cali, right? Easy freaking day. Boom. Okay. And then from here we can go ahead and we can do an MSF pattern offset. Tac L was 2500. Tac Q, whoopsie daisy, that did not copy the way I thought it was going to. I don't know if this thing even has copy on. So I may have to do a little magic here. There's that, okay. So we're gonna have to go ahead pattern offset, right? Tac L 2500. Tac Q 0x 654333765. 1702. So we have an offset of 1702. So what that means is we'll just do it while it's still up and right over here real quick. Is now we can take A times 1702. And what else we're going to do? We're going to do a little. Then we're just going to say A times 1702. Then we're just going to say actually we could do a plus, right? I think we do a plus, right? 4 B's, like that, right? Let's start this guy back up again, okay? Okay, and we'll set this off. Let's see if we get crash. We do, and we do control the EIP value, which you can see is now 42424242. So, good job. We are just about halfway there. A little bit more than halfway, actually. I would say a little bit more than halfway. So, life is easy like right now. Alright, so now we know we control the EIP value, and now we just need to be able to find a jump point, and we also need to see if there's any bad bytes, right? So we got our 1702. Let's go ahead and get our, I think I actually have a script for bad bytes. I don't remember if I do or not. We can find a jump point real quick first with Mona, right? Fuck, was this Mona jump, right? Fuck. Try to remember what the hell it is. Modules. Okay. So we want to find one that everything's false. That's all false. There's login.exe actually like right there. And here's login support DLL. Okay, so that looks like a good one like right there, right? Okay. So we have our login support and login.exe. Both of those you say SLR is false, SEH false. We can actually bypass. You can actually get around that. I have videos on that on YouTube and everything, okay? So we can see all that's false and everything like that, right? So now we need to try to find a jump for that login support, right? I'm thinking. But we should have, we need something else before this. We should, okay, let's go ahead and try to remember how to do a jump point. Okay, let's just try for a Mona. Mona, and that's jump, right? trying to remember. The mode jump ESP or something like that? No. I need a search pattern or file name. I thought that is, I thought TechApp gives you the file name. No, I need a search pattern, don't I? Let's try that. Okay. Alright. Logs for, okay. Found a total of 166 pointers. Usually I find one or two. So we can try any freaking one of those, can't we? So now we need to find, you know why? Because it's XE4. There we go. Okay, cool. Okay. 62501. Okay, let's go ahead and this guy go again, right? Boom. Boom. Okay. So now we have okay, we got our jump point. I think so, DC. You know, we don't quite know. But I'm gonna go with a reverse shell. 65012B. Okay. Cool. So we have a jump point now, right? So from here, we have to look at the bad bytes, right? So let's go ahead and look at those like real quick. See if we can find any. I think I still have the script to run all bad bytes. That's not what I want. Yeah, it is. It's just on the side now because I was just using the other thing. Ah, there we go. Okay, let's go ahead and look at bad bytes now. I think I actually have a cat. Scripts. Bad bytes.txt. There we go. Okay. So now let's go ahead and throw those into here. And we'll throw those at the script now. We'll see if we can find any bad bytes here. I don't like doing buffer overflows on stream. I think these are one of the worst things to do on stream. Just because of how much work everything takes, I guess. Alright. Not really how much work, but let's go ahead and set this off. How much there is switching between screens and everything's small. I'm debugging now. Let's go ahead and Python 2 net.py. Okay, so it sets all those bad bytes. We probably should have crashed it first. I did not. Of course I didn't. Let me see if I can find it before I bring you guys over. Yeah, I probably should have crashed it first. Because I'm not able to find it over here. So let me go ahead and crash the program first, and then we'll send those across. Okay. Just check a couple things. Let's go ahead and crash program first, then we'll send those across. Buffer equals a times 1702 plus that. I'm going to send that off. Let me see if I can find them now before bringing everyone else in the world over. So you guys don't have to sit here and watch me just search for random crap, because that gets annoying. Problem now is that I wrote over too much. We wrote too far down into it. This could be a little bit of a pain. Pretty much the ESP, I'm only getting up to 2C. Either A, there's a bad byte, or B, but 00 is not in here, or B, I overwrote too much, which I'm going to go with I overwrote too much. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. I'll just restart it like right now. And we'll go ahead and we'll try to send this off one more time, see if I can find that information in there. Let's kind of go from there. Hopefully I can. It's probably the worst part is trying to find the bad bytes to be able to actually return. Very good. We did the jump address to be able to get to the for a Windows vanilla reverse shell. Yeah, I'm looking for the bad bytes like right now. Okay. So let's go and try to find these bad bytes like real quick. Still look for that. So let's go ahead and we're gonna send something I can actually find. So we're just gonna say this. We're just gonna use that jump that we have like right now. Then we'll say bad characters equal that. Okay. Come down here, okay. We're just gonna say send the buffer, right, times the offset plus the 4Bs, right, plus the bad characters. There we go. Let's try that right there. We'll set this up. Oh, you fucker. Okay. Or I gotta do something like, oh, you wonder why. Let's go ahead and make that shellcode. So we'll try that. Fucker. Let's go ahead and get rid of the... Okay. Is that better? You fucker. I hate... What's wrong now? So shellcode equals A times the offset, which is 1702, plus 4 B's, plus the bad characters, right? Let's go ahead and actually do this with bad characters. I think I know what the problem is. So we'll try that. Is that gonna work? It's because it's in multiple fucking lines. Is that what the problem is like right now? What's happening here? Okay. Let's see if that works like right there. You fucker. Alright, now is it good? Nope. And what about now? Yep. Okay, cool. Now let's go and set that off. See if that works. No. Why? I fucking hate you. Why do you hate me? What is your problem? Can't multiply sequence by non-integer. I don't know English, so I don't know what the hell that actually means. Can't multiply sequence by non-integer type string. I don't know what you're trying to tell me here. I'm not gonna lie. Because I did that, like right there. Is that why? Is that why? Is that why? That's fucking why. Oh, God, okay. Alright, let's go ahead and see if it actually shut the program down. I don't know if the program was even up and running actually beforehand. It wasn't. Okay, cool. I know this because I got that 4242. All right, now let's go ahead and see if we can finally see what these bad bytes are. So let's go ahead and we will hop over to Windows. So let's see if we finally see what these bad bytes are. ESP, dump and stack. It's only brings us down to 2C. That's really what's the problem right now. It's only brings us down to 2C. So either A, 2D is a bad byte, 2C is a bad byte, or the program can't take any more input. One of those two things are happening like right now. So let's go ahead and look back at the little thing. And we'll just pretend like nothing's bad like right now, because I'm thinking that the program probably just can't take anything else. If this was INE, I would say that 2C was a bad byte. Since this is a random ass box, I'm going to say that it's just the program itself being dumb. So that's what I'll see before also. That's why I thought something was wrong over here, but I don't think there actually is. Okay, let's go ahead and let's try now. So x00 is not there, right? Okay. We already found our jump and everything, right? So now all we gotta do is put that in a little endian format. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me get rid of this bad. Okay. And so now we can go ahead and we're going to jump now, right? So we're going to jump and little endian, which is going to be our little slash xb slash 12. Why is that x being weird? That x shouldn't be being weird. Oh, probably it's not x, it's a b8. That's probably why. Oh, that's xb slash b8 125062. So b8 125052. We gotta put x's in front of each of these things. There we go. Okay. We are doing Netstart on VulnHub. Okay. So now from here, we should just need a overflow. I'm going to go with it's going to be Linux, and we should just need a NOP sled. So let's go ahead and do a NOP equals x90. Okay. And we'll say times. Actually, we didn't have much room, did we? Let's just say times 5. Okay. Now let's go ahead and do a MSF Venom. Yep, Linux reverse shell for 26. Yep, port. Okay, that actually looks pretty good, like right there. I think we can do it in C programming. Okay, there we go. Okay, if this doesn't work, we're also going to x0a and x0d because those are also known bad bytes, right? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to say shell equals that, like right there, right? Okay, there's that. Okay, so now that we have that, we should just be able to say shellcode is going to equal a times the offset plus our jump point, right? Plus our NOP sled, right? Whoops. Plus our NOP sled, plus our shell, which will be our actual MSF Venom code. And we should technically get a callback on port 4444 if I didn't already shut down the box, because remember I said like a bunch of stuff at the beginning. So if I didn't accidentally break it already, then we should actually get, let's go ahead and see if it actually is still up and running. 58, and what was that port again? Good thing it's in my shell script. 2371. Okay, cool. So it is running. Let's go ahead and we're going to send this off and we're going to see if this works. And we're actually going to send it at 58 now instead of 59, right? 58. And then we might have to change up that knob sled, things like that. But we will find out. Alright, so we didn't get anything that time. Why? Send shellcode. Should have sent all that. Port 2371. We got the A times the offset was 1702. Plus the jump, it looks like 125062. That looks good. Plus knob sled. Let's go ahead and change knob sled to like 30. 35 or something like that. Plus shell, which we got shell like right there. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and make sure we can still connect to it. Okay, we can. Actually, if we can still connect to it. Okay, so at least, okay, so it did kick us out. We're still listening. Okay, now we got connection refused. I wonder if it's going to open back up. We should have definitely gotten a reverse shell, I feel like. Let's choose a pretty normal one. Let's go ahead and get rid of, actually, let's go ahead and try this like right here. Other ones that are usually normal to being bad bytes is 0A, and X20 is one of them. Let's go and try something like that. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if that thing popped back open again. Okay, it does. Okay, cool. There we go. So yeah, there was definitely some bad bytes in there. Okay, so we are Fox. All right, cool. We got somewhere. All right, let's go ahead and at least we don't have to escape wine this time, right? DZ, you would have liked it last time. We had freaking escape wine. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything in here, I guess. First. Get flipped by cat. Did you wait till I got the buffer overflow till you fouled? No, I was kidding. You T-Hog, how you doing? So, DZ, for some reason, I just clicked over here and saw what you said, and it wasn't updating on my phone. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the same dude that made this box that we literally looked at last time that said it's an easy box. Cat, let's see, cron tab. Nothing in here. Okay, cat, scripts, SUID lookup. Let's also do a sudo tac-l. Oh, we can run Visual Business System CTL. Okay, GTFO bins, system CTL. sudo. Okay. But another one, it does not drop down. Maybe use access, okay? We just charge that, like right there. I feel like this one looks better. If we just do this, let's try this first. Let's try the easiest one first. Yeah, okay, the easiest one. There we go. The second one is done now. And that was the second supposedly easy one. So, woof.